Hey there, friends. Jason Raitz, the president of Speak With People. Let me give you a scenario. You're sitting in a team meeting. You're kind of drowning everything out because it's the part of the meeting where you think you know everything that was going to be said. You think you have the agenda. Then all of a sudden your boss calls on you. And they say, hey, I need you to give an update on the project you've been working on. And a lightning rod of fear just gets struck into your back. The beads of sweat start to roll. Your stomach starts to turn. And why is that? That's because many of us, we have a fear of public speaking. And I know for many of us, we don't consider ourselves to be public speakers. But my contention is, my point is, I think almost every leader is a public speaker. Because at some point, you're going to find yourself in front of a group of people, and you're going to have to communicate a message or a presentation or a point or a call to action. And so that's exactly why I cannot wait to tell you more about the Pathway course. The Pathway course. Speak With People is launching it this Friday, June 30th. You'll be able to purchase this course, and it is a 8-step guide that helps you become a more confident, clear, and captivating communicator. Just go to speakwithpeople.com/thepathway. You'll be able to get all the information. You can download the free Pathway guidebook that will kind of give you an overview of everything. You can take the with or at quiz to find out, do I communicate with people or at them? There is a big, giant difference. You can buy the course. You'll be able to then and there purchase the course. You can do that this Friday, June 30th. You can then also get information about the Pathway public speaking skills coaching that you can do one-on-one with me, where I'll work with you for 9 sessions to help you improve, help you become a more confident and clear and captivating communicator. Okay, that's all I'm going to tell you about today. We'll talk more later, but I'm so excited for what's to come. And I can't wait to tell you more about the Pathway.